In this lesson, learn about common illnesses that many people experience in everyday life. These include cold, flu, fever, cough, headache, and stomachache. Understanding these common problems helps you describe how you feel in English and talk about your health in daily situations. Common illnesses are minor health problems that most people face at some point. They usually do not need hospital treatment, but they can make you feel tired or uncomfortable. Examples are cold, flu, fever, cough, headache, and stomachache. Each of these has simple causes, mild symptoms, and easy ways to care for yourself at home. A common cold is a mild viral infection that affects your nose and throat. It often makes you sneeze, gives you a sore throat, and causes a stuffy or runny nose. It spreads easily through the air when someone coughs or sneezes, or by touching surfaces that carry the virus. Proper rest and plenty of fluids help you recover naturally. Influenza, also called the flu, is similar to a cold but stronger. It causes high temperature, body pain, tiredness, and a dry cough. It often appears suddenly and can last several days. To stay safe, wash your hands often, drink enough water, and avoid close contact with people who are sick. Adequate rest helps your body fight the infection. A fever means that your body temperature rises above normal because your body is fighting an infection. When you have a fever, you might feel warm, weak, and sweaty. To feel better, rest and drink plenty of water or juice. If the fever stays for more than a couple of days, it is important to consult a doctor for proper advice. A cough is your body's natural way to clean your throat or lungs from mucus, dust, or germs. It can result from a cold, flu, or throat irritation. To ease a cough, drink warm liquids, try honey with tea, and breathe in warm steam. If it does not go away or becomes painful, visiting a doctor is a good idea. A headache is pain in your head or neck area. It can happen due to stress, lack of sleep, dehydration, or looking at screens for too long. To relieve a headache, relax in a quiet and dark room, drink water, and gently massage your temples. If you get headaches often, medical help can find the reason behind it. A stomachache means discomfort or pain in your belly area. It can happen because of eating too much, having an infection, or eating food that is not fresh. To feel better, rest, drink warm water, and avoid heavy or oily foods. If your pain continues or becomes strong, visit a doctor for treatment. Good habits help you avoid getting sick. Wash your hands regularly with soap, eat balanced meals with fruits and vegetables, and exercise daily to keep your body strong. Also, make sure to get enough sleep at night. If you feel unwell for several days or your symptoms become worse, consult a doctor early for faster recovery. Staying healthy depends on the small choices you make daily. Eat nutritious meals with enough fruits and vegetables. Move your body by walking, stretching, or exercising. Sleep well every night to let your body rest and recover. When you care for your health with good habits, you can prevent many common illnesses and feel your best every day.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.